Hi, you're welcome to Chorus Tales TV. Today I'll be showing you another one of strategy you can adopt. You can adopt to make good income for yourself, to make good income for yourself online. We'll be going to a platform named what? Clickbank.com. Clickbank.com. What is Clickbank.com? Clickbank.com. This is a platform that enables you to earn income by referring what people to others people's products. Then it alternates what definition it's you can also work on this platform what as also a vendor, that is a creator, by creating your own product and also placing it on this platform. Then referrals such as affiliates will help you refer people down to your product. Then once they successfully sold the product, you are going to pay them certain commission, or once you successfully sell other people's product, you will be giving commission for selling people's product. And see, grow your business online doesn't have to be complicated. At Clickbank, we offer trusted e-commerce tools, a global affiliate marketplace, industry leading support, and education. Everything you need to build with confidence. That's just how it works on this platform. So, if you are new to this platform, let me show you how we can register. First of all, click on the login button, then create an account. Create an account create an account create an account Then you choose your country, first name and last name, phone number, email address, password. Then you agree to their terms and conditions. Then you join That's how it works on this platform. Very easy. So since I've already created account before on this platform, so I won't be doing that. I will just log in direct to my account. So it's loading. Okay, now I'm now on the platform. I'm now on the platform. So we'll be going to the affiliate marketplace. That's why they have bunch of products available for sale. So you as an affiliate marketer, you will be helping them promote the products. So once you sell it, they are going to pay you. So that's it. So I'm now on the affiliate marketplace. We'll be clicking on top offers on this platform. So it is still loaded. So we have the top product on this platform is Arctic Blast. The second product we have is Zipio. Then the third product we have T-Bone. So for the sake of this video, we're promoting a product name T-Bone. So how can we generate traffic for this product? So if you wanted to get your link for promoting on this for promoting this product, just click on this promote button. Just click on this. Once you click on the promote button, it's going to pop up your affiliate link. Once you click on it, it's going to request for your nickname. Then you input your nickname. Once you input your nickname, then you will be taken to a place where your affiliate link is. Since I've already done that, so I'll be going to where my affiliate link is. So I'll be going to bit.ly.com. What is bit.ly.com? This is a platform that helps you manage your link and also help you shorten your link, but by studying total number of traffic generated on those links. Since we are promoting T-Bone, you can see T-Bone tree. This is the link we'll be promoting. I already have 7 click on this link, so just wait for that. I also have some other link here. So we're promoting this T-Bone. So I'll be going to platform name YouTube to generate traffic to it. So you need to just make a review about the T-Bone. To make a review about the product, video review.
video review. Once you have created the video, then you can then come to this platform. Then what, you upload the video. So before doing that, you first of all need to search for T-Bone to see what other people are doing for themselves. To see what other people are doing for themselves. Can see T-Bone review use. This person has 9.1k views. Wow, imagine that. I'm quite sure this person the sales he would have generated on this regarding this total number of views he has it will be more than 1 2 3 4. So if it's real organic view, because there are some that will just create a bunch of view to just stimulate people interest so that people will feel like, okay, wow, this, it seems this video is selling, this is a top video. So since you have already done that, so I already have my own video I've created, so to I'll be checking on this video that is currently at the top. Then I will emulate.
Look, if you're in Africa and you're serious about making money on 2022, you want to chill with the big boys and girls, then
to generate.
Guys, so I bought music.
Tons of views, generate tons of traffic for his video. So just copy his video information as it helps all rank on YouTube search engine, because our video will also be categorized with this same video. So this is it. So everything that he wrote, that's what we'll be copying. So now I've copied the title. I will go into my notepad, then paste. Then I'll go back to the video and also copy their description. So I'll be doing what this guy is doing for himself. Then I will copy it. Then we're going back to the notepad. And paste the video description, and also go back to copy the title this man wrote for himself. And also save it. So now I will go back to the platform to upload my video. Very easy as that. So going to our YouTube. Where is YouTube? So this is YouTube. So I'll be switching this channel. To my review channel. So this is my review channel. Then I'll be uploading updated bond video I have. You can see 6% short. So I'll be uploading this.
Get in shape for summer.
Then next, then we're pasting the title. Then also what? Seems it doesn't give chance. Then we upload it. So I'll go back to my channel. Video. Then what? We'll be editing the video back. Be editing the video. So just need to tweak this a little bit. Then we will be adding our video description. It seems the video description has disappeared. Let's quickly go back to our Chrome browser. Then scroll down. Then copy the information again. Then we copy it back. Then we go back what? To our YouTube description. Then we paste it. Then we delete all unnecessary information. So that's just they'll be changing all the links to our affiliate links. T-bone tray. And then so that's it. They'll be going back, then continue, then add T-bone tags. T-bone review what is T-bone. If you need full video on how to rank any video on YouTube, you can check my previous video. I've created a pure video now. You can want to rank any YouTube video on my channel. Just check any one of them. Then you have ability to know you can search for T-bone tag, and also how to write appropriate full description apart from this, and also how to compose the title. So that's just it. Then we'll be saving it. So anytime people watch our video, they love the product, they will click on the link. So other thing you can also do to the video is to click on the video and also be the first person to comment. Get in shape for summer by enjoying T-Bird. Add your affiliate link here. Get in shape for summer by enjoying T-Bird. Get in shape for summer by enjoying T-Bird. So I need to pin it. Get in shape for summer by enjoying T-Bird. So anytime they watch the video, they love it. They will what? They love the product. Get in shape for summer by enjoying T-Bird. Thanks.